Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever used an app to identify a plant or a food item, only for it to get it completely wrong? It's a common problem with the AI in our everyday devices, and until now, there was no easy way to fix it. But a new paper details a system that lets you, the user, correct these AI mistakes instantly, right on your phone. The core challenge is that AI models on our phones are usually static. They are trained on powerful servers and can't be easily updated on your device. Traditional methods for correcting errors require a lot of data and processing power, which phones just don't have. Furthermore, trying to teach an AI something new can often lead to a problem called catastrophic forgetting, where it forgets things it previously knew. So the goal is to make the AI smarter without needing a powerful computer and without making it dumber in other areas. This diagram perfectly illustrates the new solution. First, the system makes a mistake. For instance, it fails to recognize this frozen pizza. The user then simply provides the correct label, in this case, by typing frozen pizza. And just like that, the system adapts, and the next time it sees that item, it will recognize it correctly. So how does it work without heavy retraining? The system uses a clever two-part approach. First, on a powerful server, a huge foundation model is trained, and its knowledge is then distilled or compressed into a small, efficient model that can run on a phone. This small model doesn't have a rigid classifier. Instead, it uses a flexible system based on prototypes, which are like key examples for each category. When you make a correction, the device doesn't retrain the whole model. It simply adds the feature vector of your new example to its list of prototypes for that class. This is incredibly fast and requires minimal resources. The results are quite impressive. Looking at this table, we can see that with just one single correction, what they call a one-shot scenario, the system fixed over 50% of its mistakes on 2 different image datasets. With 10 examples, it corrected over 90% of its errors. Even more importantly, the forgetting rate is incredibly low, meaning the AI doesn't get confused about the things it already knew how to identify. This technology isn't just for classifying a single item in a photo, it also extends to the more complex task of object detection. In their Android demo, the system initially misidentifies an orange. The user taps the box and provides the correct label, pomegranate. In the very next frame, the system has learned from that one correction and now correctly identifies the fruit. So let's recap the important points. Researchers have created a system where huge AI models train smaller, efficient models for our devices. This system allows us to correct AI misclassifications with just 1 or 2 examples. This correction process is fast, private since it all happens on the device, and avoids the problem of catastrophic forgetting. The future implications of this are huge. Imagine your phone's camera perfectly learning to recognize your specific pets, or a smart fridge that learns the exact grocery items you buy, all becoming more personalized and accurate over time. This brings us closer to AI that truly adapts to our unique world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science. We'll see you in the next video.